For the uninitiated, that is a true pork lover's dish. I eat these once a year to a friend that fed them to me in the swamp. That is delicious. I ain't gonna try to make it to my mouth. That is stewed, smothered pigtails. If you love pork, you've got to try that one day. Alright y'all, we're going to be shooting this Magnum Research Franken rifle. I've got the Bushnell Burris Fastfire 3 on the front. Now, I have an evil clown target behind me, and very evil clown target. I'm going to try and put around between his orbital sockets. If I'm lucky at that, then I'll try to put one between his orbicularis oris muscles, try to take out his epiglottis. Although I heard he had it surgically removed to help him with his gag reflex, but we'll see. I'm going to have to utilize for this precision type shooting tripod. This rifle only weighs less than 5 pounds, but this is surgical, and so I want to try and do the best job I can. I want to thank Paul for this nice t-shirt, Madison, Ohio. Paul is Hazman 440. I'll put his link down below. So without further ado, I'm not going to shoot this target all up because I got it off the clearance table and it cost me $1. So if I can do what I want to do, I'll put some band-aids on it and use it again. So let's see how this little rifle, it's a very nice rifle. Let's see what I can do with it. That's pretty damn close. Right in the eyebrow. Yeah, I got a little high on that one. Let's go for the orbicularis oris muscles. I believe that's right in the old pickle sucker. Let's take a look at it. That target's 35 feet away. I was shooting 40 grain. Y'all may recognize him. Hopefully nobody will know that I've got this target here. There's one between the eyes. One of them was high. And one right in the old pickle sucker. A very evil clown. And I mean a clown. Got 2 hand grenades there. God, this is going to be bloody when I get through with it. But I appreciate y'all watching. Catch you later. Bye.